All right, welcome to Camp 395. In this video, we will do a tutorial on how we can produce linear fits with Excel, right? So let's say you have a set of data points. This is the X, this is the Y, and let's say from the experiment, we know that they should follow a linear relationship. That means that Y is a function of X in this form. Slope times x plus b, so it's a linear formula, right? So the question is, we want to fit this data, find the slope and the intercept. Of course, one way you can do it is by making a plot, right? Of course, scatter plot is the best for this kind of thing. And then you can right click and say add trend line. Okay. And of course, you can select what kind of trend line, and we want to use linear in this case. And you can say that you want to display the equation and also the R-square value, just to make sure. Okay, so here you will immediately see the slope and the intercept. Everything looks good, except that we don't know the error of the intercept and the slope, right? So to do that, what we will use is what is called LINEST in Excel. So to do LINEST, you have to select 2 by 5 cells, so 2 columns and 5 rows, and then you start typing LINEST. So it's gonna use linear statistic. Right? So first set of data, we need to input the Y. Second set of data, we need to input the X. And then there's two more things. The first one is whether we want to set the intercept at 0 or whether we want to also calculate the intercept. Okay. So in this case, we always want to calculate the intercept when we are fitting. So let's put 1 or true. Right. Next one, it asks whether we want additional regression statistics such as the errors and all the rest. So we do want them. So this is also true or 1, right? So in Excel, what we want to do, because we are selecting 2 by 5 cells, and we want the formula to apply to all of them. So we press Control, followed by Shift, and then Enter. So now you can see that it's slightly different than your usual formula because now Excel added this curly brackets, right, by itself. I didn't put the curly brackets. So what it means is that the formula is applied to this selected area, okay? So now let's go through each of this to know what they mean, right? So here, if you try to match this with the equation, you can immediately see that this is the slope. And this is the standard deviation of the slope. Okay. And by the same token, you can recognize that this is your intercept, B, and this is the standard deviation of B. Okay. So let's do that for consistency. And you will see that here, this is your R square. And there are several more statistics, but what we also want to use here is the degree of freedom. Okay. So you can already see, for example, we have 4 data points that we are fitting here. We are trying to calculate 2 numbers out of the 4. So 4 minus 2 gives us 2 degrees of freedom. And now you have your standard deviations, and you can use them in your calculation of error. For example, if you need to calculate the 95% confidence interval, then you can use these numbers to calculate the error, and that's it. So hope you enjoy it and have fun playing with LINEST.